Looking for the best speakers for Echo. For you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 best speakers for Echo. That we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a best speakers for Echo. That suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended best speakers for Echo. Number 1 on the list is Ultimate Ears Boom 2. We'll start off by remarking how this one gives you what you need in terms of technology and aesthetics. It looks modern and suave in its protective casing, which protects it from water shock if you should drop it, and even mud, which makes it practical for hiking and camping. The brand produces 12 different designs, so you can pick a color or theme that suits your style, or other audio gear. Using it is practical and fun. You simply tap once if you want to play or pause, and to skip a track you tap twice. That makes it very quick to use, but also means you don't have to rotate it to reach the appropriate buttons. You don't even have to be on a certain side of this unit to enjoy the high-quality audio it produces. This is one of the impressive 360 degrees units on the market, so your entire crowd next to the pool can enjoy the background music. It's not too heavy, so you won't have a problem carrying this around wherever you go. Wherever you use it, it's a breeze to set up, as you'll get a quality Bluetooth connection from up to 100 feet away. Leave your Echo. Where it's safe and take your Boom 2 with you to the pool. The brand caters for all music genres thanks to drivers that produce all frequencies clearly. Even low bass notes will sound clear. Wondering whether it will still serve you well in a few years' time? This model, along with the app, allows for updates, so if the brand thinks up new ways of enhancing your music experience, you don't need a new tool, just download. Yes, it's on the pricey side, but worth it. Second on the list is JBL Flip 4. JBL has been a market leader for years, and with this design the brand once again proves why. If you're looking for a unit that will present an excellent range even if there are walls between devices, this is your solution. Even the weight requires a mention, because at just over 1 pound it's one of the lightest units on the list, so carrying it in your backpack is no problem at all. You can also position it upright or lying down, so if you don't have a lot of space, no problem. The JBL allows you to connect more than one device at a time, so friends or 2 producers in a studio can both share their tracks. Apart from linking with other mobile devices, you can also connect a few JBL speakers so they produce loud, quality audio for a large room or outside area. If this outside area has a pool, no fear, the Flip 4 is waterproof with an IPX7 rating, so even accidentally submerging one in the water won't damage it. The brand offers this impressive unit in 6 unique colors, so your gear can match your personal style. Of course, sound quality matters, and this one produces loud, clear audio every time. The sound is very well balanced, so critical listeners will be impressed too. This is very important if you need one for your sound studio. If this is how you'll facilitate future conference calls, you'll appreciate the noise echo cancelling speakerphone. The one concern is battery life that seems to deteriorate quite quickly as unit gets older. Number 3 on the list is Sonos Play 1. For Sonos it was all about versatility with this design, as, for starters, you can pick from a stunning black or ultramodern white range. It's so stylish it won't ruin the aesthetics of a room, it will boost it. It's even wall mountable. Then we get to the technology. With these speakers for Echo. You can transform how you listen and enjoy music in your home or office. Every family member or employee can enjoy different songs in their rooms, or you can share the same background music with everyone. And if you add more offices or rooms, you can easily add more speakers to the system, as it's designed to use with Alexa and Echo. It's fairly user-friendly, as setup via your Wi-Fi only takes a few minutes. Note that this is one of the heavier models on our list, but for that sacrifice, you get incredibly good audio, rich and loud. It's surprising for such a small unit. For those who do want to take it everywhere, while it's not completely waterproof, humidity at least won't do anything. So it's safe to use even in the bathroom, and yes, even outside. One practical matter to consider: this is not a battery-powered unit, so you'll need to make sure there's an electricity outlet where you use it. Number 4 on the list is Beats Pill Plus. Yes, this is an expensive unit, but it comes from a market-leading brand and the technology is worth the investment. From Beats you don't simply get an audio speaker, but the unit will charge your phone with its available power thanks to a USB out. If you're using your speaker for echo. For phone calls as well, you'll love how clear this one sends incoming and outgoing audio. Enjoy hands-free calls with optimum clarity. The unit produces clear sound thanks to an advanced speaker design. In this compact casing, the brand succeeded in tweeter and woofer separation. That's in part why studio's audio sounds so good, and now you have that technology in a very small device in your backpack. If you're picky about how your tracks sound, this one doesn't disappoint. The high-end unit provides you with 12 hours of play before you need to recharge, which is an industry standard. Beats keeps up with the best in the business. You'll also be able to track available battery as there's an LED gauge on the exterior. You can also pick from 3 different colors, black, white and red, to suit your style. This brand keeps on catering for modern consumers, as you can pair and sync 2 of these speakers, or even allocate one for left and one for right. It's a bit heavier than some other designs, but not cumbersome, so you'll still want to take it everywhere. Number 5 on the list is OontZ Angle 3 Ultra. This uniquely shaped unit deserves a mention for its exceptional range, which is yours in a speaker that's remarkably well priced. You can connect from as far as 100 feet away, which means your echo. Can be in the safety of your home, while this entertains your crowd outside. If you're entertaining a huge crowd, you can connect 2 of these without even using wires. What's so handy is that both can play stereo or set it up so one plays left and the other right. You can customize according to your layout and needs. Your audience will enjoy the quality audio, as there's a 14W speaker inside this one. For this low-budget model, we were quite surprised at the long battery life of 20 hours. Using it sporadically for a few days may not even require any recharging at all, even if your volume is turned up around halfway. Included in the low price is a promise of giving you a weatherproof unit. Although you can't submerge it, the IPX6 rating is still impressive and means it's safe to use next to the pool. You can even have it in the bathroom when you shower. The humidity won't damage it. That makes it a solution for indoors and outdoors. It's relatively lightweight, so for a good price you can get a unit you'll carry with you everywhere from now on. Just now is a list of 5 best speakers for echo. That we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.